In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on app lock and use gray switcher next to app lock feature. Then choose settings in the pop-up to set up privacy password. Hit use a different password type and select one of the available options by clicking on the best one. Then create your app lock, repeat it to confirm it, answer a security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. You can also hit custom question and create your own. If you want to set up recovery email as well, you need to click here, set it up and choose confirm as well. When you're done with all of that, hit confirm at the top right corner and finally use gray switchers next to your apps you wish to lock. Now go back. So now when I try to access any of those apps, icons that pattern is required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go back to app lock section, enter your screen lock, and tap on blue switchers. If you want to disable app lock completely, use this blue switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!